LIFO method is suitable when items of materials to be priced are a few in number or higher. Individual material requisitions are seldom used and materials move in bulk loads. That means oil refineries, sugar mills, spinning and flour mills. Base stock method. Under this method, every concern is supposed to maintain a minimum quantity of stock at all times. This minimum fixed inventory is known as base stock and is not used except in case of emergency. Base stock is valued at price at which first lot of stock was required. The inventories in excess of base stock may be valued at either by FIFO or LIFO method. This method is suitable in tanning, mining, brush, copper, and lead industries or higher materials being produced are basic and homogeneous or higher cost of finished product is made up largely of some basic raw materials such as hires, crude oil, non-ferrous metal, etc. or higher completion period takes a longer period. Average cost method. Since identity of different lots of materials or goods purchased or produced is lost when these are received in a store, it is therefore considered improper if materials or goods issued, sold, charged at a particular lot's price. Hence, average cost is considered correct approach. However, there are two methods of average cost: simple average price method, weighted average price method. Simple average price method. Simple average price means a price calculated by dividing the total different price of various lots at hand by the total number of purchases. In other words, this method is an average of prices without having regard to the quantities at hand. Simple average price methods is suitable when materials are received in uniform lot or prices do not fluctuate frequently. Weighted average price. Under this method, cost of sales and inventories are valued at weighted average price, which is calculated by dividing the total cost of materials or goods in stock by the total quantity of materials or goods in hand. However, it is better to have weighted average price moving rather than a fixed weighted average price. That is, a new weighted average should be worked out with every fresh purchase production of materials or goods. Weighted average cost method is suitable to manufacturing enterprises where several processes are involved and completion of product takes a longer period of time. Number 5. Standard cost price method. This method is based upon a standard cost, which is the predetermined price or notional price. Standard cost is determined by careful consideration of various factors which are likely to affect cost. These factors include quantity of purchase, quantity discount, anticipated price fluctuations, and transportation cost. When a standard cost is used, the standard price set and actual price is compared. Any difference between the two is known as a price variance, which is transferred to various accounts. Standard cost price method is suitable to manufacturing enterprises where several processes are involved and completion of product takes a longer period of time. Number 6. A specific identification price. This method is applied only where material used can be identified with a particular job or order. Under this method, each unit of stock is codified along with its cost identity. Once the specific job or order is complete, the remaining items of stock, each having its own cost, are valued at its specific cost and marked. That means the value of such inventories is determined on the basis of their specific price or cost of production, which happens to be its historical price. A specific price method is suitable for job order industries where specific materials are acquired for a specific job or under. Replacement cost method or current market price. Under this method, materials issued are costed at price at which identical materials can be purchased from market. The replacement price is used in respect of items of materials held for production purpose, while realizable price is used in respect of goods held for sale. Thus, current market price can be interpreted as replacement price or realizable price. Replacement cost method or current market price method is suitable in those cases where quotations based on market price are to be prepared. Number 8. Lower of cost or market price. As a rule, inventory should be valued at cost. However, the convention of conservatism states that inventories should be valued at cost or market price, whichever is less. According to this principle, we must provide for all expected losses but not for anticipated profits. That is why this method takes into account unrealized losses and excludes unrealized profits. The decline in the value of inventory below cost can be due to different reasons such as physical deterioration, obsolescence, fall in the price level, and this is treated as a loss of the current year. The International Accounting Standard Committee states the historical cost of inventories may not be realizable if their selling price have declined. If they are damaged or they become partly or wholly obsolete. The practice of writing inventories down below historical cost to net realizable value occurs with the view that current assets should not be carried in exchange of amounts expected to be realized. Declines in value are computed separately for individual terms, groups, or similar items. An entire class of inventory or items relating to class of business, or they are computed on an overall basis for all inventories done based on a class of inventory or in a class of business or on an overall basis, results in offsetting losses incurred against unrealized gains. This method is based on a policy of caution or playing safe in the world of uncertainty. If market price is higher than the cost of inventory, excess is ignored because profits are not realized, and inventory will be valued at cost, which is lower than the market price. If this is not done, the dividends may be paid out of unrealized profits, and if expected market price is not realized, it is possible dividends may be paid out of capital. That is why inventories are valued at cost or market price, whichever is less. It is suitable of all process. Number 9. Retail inventory method or adjusted selling price method. According to Accounting Standard 2, adjusting selling price, also called retail inventory formula, is used widely in retail business or where the inventory comprises items the individual cost of which are not readily ascertainable. The historical cost of inventory is estimated by calculating it in the first instance at selling price and then deducting an amount equal to the estimated gross profit margin of profit on such stock. The calculation of the estimated gross profit margin of profit may be made for individual items or groups of items or by departments, else may be appropriate to the circumstances. This formula is also used by some manufacturing organizations for valuing inventory of finished products held against forward sale contract. Managing your inventory can be a daunting task, and if it is not done properly, it could cost your company thousands of dollars. There are several software solutions such as Fishbowl Manufacturing, Fishbowl Warehouse, which could improve your inventory system by using three inventory management techniques: just-in-time, stock review, ABC analysis. ABC analysis. This is a popular way to analyze your inventory. Under this method, you classify the inventory into three categories such as A, B, and C. These categories are based upon the inventory value and cost significance. Also, the number of items and values of each category are expressed as a percentage of the total. Items of high value and small in number are termed as A. Items of moderate value and moderate in number are termed as B. Items of small in value and large in number are termed as C. Remember to manage each category separately. The nice thing about Group C is that it can be fairly hands-off, while Group A requires special attention. You can use ABC analysis in conjunction with the just-in-time technique to help you get your recorded timing just right. Dear student, hope you can like this discussion. I just hope all of you study properly in home. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you all.